Greetings, class, and welcome to Nursing 609. I wanted to take just a few minutes to provide you with a brief overview of the Brightspace course and to help you navigate through the course. When you log in to Nursing 609, one of the first widgets that you will see is titled Orientation and Important Resources. When we click on this tab, you will find important information relative to the syllabus and the course calendar. You will also find information relative to the textbooks for this course. Please do take some time to review the ADA statement, the academic honesty policy, as well as the gold standard expectations. Within this first widget, you will also find important information and resources relative to APA. It will be important for you to visit these resources as appropriate. Each of your papers will need to be written per APA format. So please do not hesitate to utilize those resources. I have also included information within this widget relative to the Holman Library and the Writing Center. Across each of your assignments, you will be expected to integrate scholarly sources. So if you should need assistance with accessing Holman Library, please do not hesitate to utilize these resources, but also to reach out to me if you have questions. When we move back home, you will find the second widget includes information relative to the National Council State Boards of Nursing. Within this widget, I have included the NCLEX RN test plan that most recently rolled out in April of 2023. I have also included information relative to the clinical judgment model, which you will be hearing more about as we move through the different education courses. I have included information under the next widget titled Nursing Accreditation Resources relative to the different accreditation bodies within academia. We will again take time to look at these resources as you move throughout the course and the program in general. When you click on class assignments and rubrics, you will see that there are three primary assignments for this course. Each of those is listed here for you. There are guidelines for each assignment as well as a rubric. So please take some time to look at those guidelines and to review the rubrics and to reach out if you have questions. Within this tab, I have also included the discussion rubric for the different discussion threads that we will have within this course. When we move back home, the next widget includes assignment links. So you can click on assignment links, and this is where you will submit your three primary assignments that are due for this course. And the respective due date for each of those assignments is listed there. When we move back home, you will find that most generally we will look at one module per week. And so each module will have its own widgets with appropriate resources for that week. So this first week, let's click on Module 1. I will have the dates, the respective dates for that discussion and that module listed, including the readings as well as the objectives. From each module, I will likely include an overview at the beginning of the week, although at times I like to see how the discussion unfolds, and I may not provide an overview or I might provide a recap at the end of the week. So we'll see how that goes. With each module, you will find textbook resources available to you, as well as other resources that are pertinent to the content for that week. Please know that I encourage you as you respond to the discussion prompts each week to integrate scholarly sources. And in fact, with your response to the discussion prompt, you are required to integrate a scholarly source. So I do encourage you to dig deep and to find sources that you think will be valuable to share with your colleagues. So let's go ahead and move back home. With regards to the discussion, when you click on communication and then discussion, this is where you will find the discussion modules for each week. And the discussion for Module 1 is open, and I have included those guidelines there. So let's go ahead and go back home. So again, there are a number of resources available to you within this Brightspace course shell. I will create videos for different aspects of the course, including the syllabus and the calendar separately. I will also create overviews of the assignments separately. This is simply an overview just to provide you with a quick navigation through the course. If you should have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to working with you this term. Thank you.